To download Twitter videos on iPhone, let's open the app. Now, let's open the video you want to download from Twitter. Then click this button. Then click Copy Link. After that, let's open Safari and search Twitter Video Downloader. You can choose any other site from these results, but let's use this one today. Now, all you have to do is paste the link that you copied earlier and click Download. You can choose anything from these options. And that's it. Now you have the video downloaded on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.